Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to class 2 Cone House. My name is Mr. Random and I will be your class teacher for this whole session. Let's talk a little bit about your books and copies. So the first book that we are going to discuss is your Active English course book. This is your textbook that we will refer to throughout the session. Write your name on top of the book and also on the first page of the book. Next, this is your English text copy. This red colored copy is your English text copy. Over here you can see the section of name, class, house and subject. Write your name, your class which would be class 2, your house which would be Cone House, your subject. For this your subject will be English text. So fill out this portion for your copy. Next we have English as a second language part 2. This is your English grammar book for this session. Again you have to write your full name on top of the book along as well as on the first page. You would have another red copy with you. Jisme you have to write English grammar as your subject and repeat the same details as your name, class and house. Okay. Next book we have is your Inspiring Science textbook 2. This is your science textbook. Again write your full name on the top as well as on the first page. The pink colored copy will be your science copy. In the subject section, go ahead and write science. Write your name, your class over here which is class 2 and your house which will be Cone. This book is your basic mathematics part 2. This will be your maths book that we will be referring to for this session. Again, I request you to write your name. This green colored copy will be your maths copy. Write mathematics as your subject and fill out the remaining details. Now let's talk about how you're supposed to prepare your copy. So if you open the first page of every copy, I would like you to write down these details: your name, previous house, class, house and subject. So your name will be your name, your previous house, write the house that you had in class 1. Your class is class 2. House for us will be Cone House, so write Cone over here. And then your subject will depend on the copy that you have. If you have opened science copy, write science. If you've opened English copy, write English text or grammar, and same goes for maths. Now turn to the next page. On the next page I want you to draw two lines like this and create an index. Basically write index on the top heading, write serial number, date, topics and teacher's sign. Create an index for all of your copies. Now take the next page and fold it to form the first term flap. You can make it as a rectangle as shown in the picture or as a triangle. Write first term on the flap so that it's distinguishable throughout the course of the session. Alright. Now let's talk about your diary. Your diary has a lot of sections that need to be filled. For example, your name, father's name, class, house, GR number, residence address, your phone of office, residence and cell phone. This would be your parents' phone numbers. I would request you all to fill out the proper details accordingly. This will help your teacher as well as you throughout the course of this session. This is it for this video. I hope that it was clear as to how you guys need to prepare your copies and books for the coming session. See you all in class. Thank you.